The 2025 Jaguar XF is a luxury sedan that seamlessly blends timeless elegance with cutting-edge technology. It commands attention with its sleek silhouette and embodies the spirit of athleticism. A focus on the driver asterisk ergonomic design the 2025 XF's interior is likely to be meticulously designed with the driver in mind. Expect intuitively placed controls, a comfortable driving position, and a focus on minimizing distractions. Head-up display a high-resolution head-up display will project vital information such as speed, navigation, and safety warnings directly onto the windshield, enhancing safety and convenience. Personalized driver profiles the XF will likely allow multiple drivers to create personalized profiles with their preferred settings, including seat positions, climate control, and driving modes. Sustainability and innovation advanced powertrain options in addition to traditional gasoline engines. Expect to see a wider range of electrified powertrain options, including plug-in hybrids and potentially even a fully electric variant. Sustainable materials Jaguar is committed to using sustainable materials throughout the vehicle, from the interior trim to the exterior components. Expect to see the use of recycled plastics, organic fabrics, and sustainably sourced wood. Connected car services the XF will likely be equipped with advanced connected car services such as over-the-air updates, remote vehicle access, and real-time traffic and weather information. Marketing and brand experience exclusive Jaguar experiences owners of the 2025 XF can expect access to exclusive Jaguar experiences such as driving events, track days, and invitations to private events. Personalized customer service Jaguar will likely offer personalized customer service with dedicated concierge services and a focus on building long-term relationships with its customers. Brand heritage Jaguar will likely emphasize its rich heritage and iconic design language, appealing to customers who appreciate timeless elegance and craftsmanship.